What up, y'all? So today we're installing the Cobb intake. This is the FF model. I don't even know what to say, but this is the FF model, which is like it comes with the backing plate. And honestly, I just want to see how it sounds. And yeah, let's see if we can actually, do something with this. Like, I don't think this is gonna give any power, but
guys, don't listen to him. He's not gonna do it right. He's gonna do it bad.
This is called Little Nathan right here, and
yeah, he's a weirdo.
Nathan, what else you want to say? Because obviously you got a lot to say, so.
Yeah, he's a weirdo. You don't even know. He's not in.
It's alright. What is this called then? Exactly. You don't even know. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a road test so y'all can see how it sounds, and then after that, I'm gonna do like a sound test from the outside. But overall, the plan is for next week to get the car tuned. I'm gonna put a Cobb downpipe and the rest of the cat back, and I'll see how that shit goes. So I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So we got the Cobb in. I'm not gonna do a test run today, but I guess tomorrow morning I'll get a test run, see how it sounds, and yeah, I'm excited. It was kind of easy. That wasn't too long, probably like 20-30 minutes if you put time on it. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and let's see how it goes. All right, so we're back with the video. The Cobb intake is on. Some funny thing that I learned was that I had to remove one of the inlet pipes. Like it was like a return to the intake, which is gonna make it sound like it has a blow-off valve, but I do not have a blow-off valve in the car. It's just because you had to remove it in order to replace the old intake with the new intake. So I'm gonna give it one pull real quick and see how it sounds. It sounds like I got a blow-off valve, but I don't, you guys. So the intake itself, it sounds as loud as my girlfriend in bed. It's like, no, but it sounds pretty good, to be honest, but it's not all that. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I almost missed that gear, but yeah. I'm gonna put the windows up real quick, and I'm gonna give you that last pull. Honestly, it's not that loud. The actual intake itself, it's not that fucking loud. Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna find parking real quick, and that's it. This is my last pull. Ready? It's not that loud, you guys. It sounds like you got to blow off out, but everything else. So that's it, guys, and if you have any questions, anything else you want to ask me, if you guys want me to do a review on the actual STI and like what it is like to own in a STI or daily in a STI. So yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time.